name is Antonio Miranda, and today I will be speaking about the advantages of credit unions over your typical bank. The goal of this presentation is to show you, the audience, the benefits of being a credit union member over being a bank's customer. What is a credit union, you may ask? A credit union is similar to a traditional bank in the sense that both institutions offer financial products to their customers. Credit union members, like bank customers, have access to checking accounts, savings accounts, CDs, as well as credit cards. However, credit unions differ from larger banking chains in two distinctive ways. One key difference is that a credit union is a non-profit institution. Since credit unions operate as non-profit, they can offer higher interest rates on savings accounts as well as CDs, and lower interest rates on loan products and credit cards. Another important distinction is that credit unions are more member-focused institutions. A credit union is a cooperative, which means it is owned and operated by its members, as opposed to being owned by its stockholders like a bank. Your initial membership deposit makes you a part owner of the credit union and gives you a say in the credit union's decisions. Because of this ownership structure, potential members have to meet a membership requirement that vary depending on the credit union's objective. For example, a corporation's credit union may only accept employees and their immediate family members, which means City of Dallas employees are accepted at City of Dallas Credit Union, being employees of the City of Dallas, as well as their family. They are more than welcome to apply for membership because of that reason. A credit union for teachers, on the other hand, may accept any teacher who works for a certain school district, the ISD. A few credit unions have more relaxed requirements and may simply request that you live in a certain area. For example, Texas Credit Union. If you live in the state of Texas, you're able to open a membership through that credit union, being from the state of Texas. If you're from Oklahoma, they have their Oklahoma Federal Credit Union. The National Credit Union Administration, NCUA, manages a database for the credit unions. You can search on that website, ncua.com, and plug in your zip code. It'll pull up the closest credit union to your area, as well as what it requires to join. With a credit union, you are a member or a stakeholder. With a bank, you are simply a customer. Banks are for-profit institutions, and their goal is to make money for the stockholders of that company. A credit union is not a for-profit entity, and their goal, at the end of the day, is to pass their profits to its members. This comes in the form of added membership benefits, such as lower fees as well as lower rates. A misconstructed opinion is that credit unions have limited branches as well as ATM locations. However, many credit unions now belong to larger networks such as the Credit Union Service Center as well as Shared Branching Network, which means you can utilize credit unions across the United States. If you have a City of Dallas Credit Union account and you're in New York doing business, you're welcome to stop by New York's credit union in order to make a cash withdrawal or deposit. For example, at this moment I have 3 locations within 5 miles of my home, as well as many ATMs that are free of charge, as opposed to for example, 2 of the largest banks in the United States have 1 location within those 5 miles of my home, being Bank of America, Chase, Wachovia, banks in general. At a credit union, credit cards, home equity loans, mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans all enjoy lower interest rates that you will find at a bank. At the same time, savings accounts, checking accounts, money markets, CDs, IRAs will have higher rates, which means at the end of the day, you'll make more money through your accounts at the credit union. As I said before, credit unions have many available ATMs across the U.S. You go nowadays to a Chase ATM, it'll charge you $3 plus whatever the institution charges you, when you can simply go to a 7-Eleven location and withdraw your own money for free. Who wants to pay for withdrawing money? I know I don't. You can also utilize their shared branching services for free. Everything's free of charge. At the end of the day, the credit union's goal is to be there for its members. Treat you as family, not just another head in the bunch, just another person out there. You become family at a credit union. This is my presentation about the advantages of credit unions over banks. Thank you for your time.